My name is Matthew Ward. I'm the Managing Director of a semiconductor distribution company based in Leeds. I first came across Resincoat as a private customer when I was renovating my own house, and I used Resincoat products to epoxy my garage floor. So over the course of the last 6 months, we've used 3 different types of Resincoat products. Each were applied to a different substrate in different conditions. The technical help department were absolutely fantastic. Told them exactly what I needed as a complete novice, and the combination of products that were recommended have resulted in a fantastic job. So we chose to do the installation ourselves after having the floor prepped. The application process felt simple enough to undergo it ourselves. It worked very well, saved a considerable amount of money and gave us control over the process. The particular product we used on this floor was a first coat paint product to colour match and even out the aesthetics, and then there was a top layer of epoxy which we put 2 layers of that on. So the application could not have been simpler. Easy to follow instructions. There is a 2-part mixture to the product, very clear what prep needs to be done. It's all very, very well explained and illustrated on the website. I'd have no hesitation in recommending Resincoat again, either for a commercial or a domestic application. The technical help department were fantastic. The 3 different types of substrate that we used has been uniform throughout, whether you're using old perish concrete, new concrete that's recently been poured, or in this case, refurbing and adding additional products to an existing epoxy substrate. If you're looking for a product that's easy to use, a great finished result, and a very responsive company, then Resincoat's your choice.